This video tutorial explains to you what to do when you get a green WhatsApp. So what you do is that you copy the number and then you go to your data sheet and you go to your tasks. If I've put here green all, then you need to go to your green tab and you need to go and find the number. So Control F, and there you have the number, and you need to copy that number there. So please pause the video, please go and copy the number now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to log into the relevant server. So in this case it's VPS 2. So please log into that VPS now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Right, so please make sure that you're on rule 2, and then over here you need to paste the number that you've copied. If you can't copy it, it means that you need to go back to the sheet, copy the number, go back to the VPS, and then paste the number. So please make sure that you've pasted the number. So please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to make sure that this is set to false. So you must set this to false, and then you can leave this number alone. So please pause the video, please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. So once this is false, it does not matter what this number is here. So you can just ignore this line 19, only for green. All right. Once you've done that, you can click on compile. So please compile it now. Please pause the video. Please go and compile this now. And then once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Then go back to the administrator folder and then copy everything, and then go to the folder that you need to paste the data into. In my case, it's 8049. So let's go and do that now. So please pause the video, please go and log into the user that you need to get the data for. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. So it is 8049. So everything in this section you can delete, and then you can paste the new files into the section. So please pause the video, please paste all the data now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The first step is to remove all the source code information. So please pause the video, please go and remove the source code data. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is we don't need the 8 EMA and we don't need the OBV EMA. So please pause the video, please go and delete those files now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to copy this file here, and then click on the numbers, go to templates, and then paste the template in this folder over here. So please pause the video, please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to go back to your tasks, and then in this section here you can click on done. So please go and make sure that you've done all the steps correctly, and I'll see you on Monday. Oh, and then what you do is that you need to ping me on WhatsApp that you've completed this task, so that I know that it's done. So then I can do the relevant stuff on my side. Thanks very much. I'll see you on my next video.